Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Tubi and you will click. In this window you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.